Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay here from Water Bike Shop. So it's a Pump Track Tuesday here at Circular Verde at the bike playground. So it's gonna be me and my son. So it's a day of practice for him para sa kanya. So yan, picture taking. So what we have is our Gen 6 Mammoth Fat Bike. Last time that we tried it here, what we have is the 100mm rims and the 4.0 tires. So ang ginawa ko, I changed the rims, 135mm in yung aming mega wide rims, and then put a tire of 4.8. Yan. So baka sabihin nyo, uy, iba yata yung bike mo. Hindi iba. Same bike. We just changed the rims and we changed the tires. So far, mas okay to sa pump track para sa amin. So sabi ko sa anak ko, try it first, keep it slow, follow the rhythm. Pag nakuha mo yung rhythm mismo na pag-pump, then follow the line. So, yan yung ginagawa niya ngayon. So, guys, if you're gonna go ahead and visit the bike playground at Circular Verde, make it sure that you bring a lot of water. Kung meron kayong baon, maglalagay kayo ng baon para dyan. And if meron din kayo maintenance, make it sure na lang yung maintenance na kailangan nyo yan. So, sabi ko, ako, katulad nyo, yung video nakita nyo, dahil ako may heart attack ako last year, so for me, I could only do one round for that, and I tried it, and para sa akin, okay na yun, achievement na yun ulit. So here, sabi ko sa anak ko, go ahead, keep on trying it, makakaya mo yan. So, ilang beses mo siya pinaulit-ulit, tinatry, then, ayun nga. So, sa mga taong nag-long ride, this is gonna be something different for you guys if you're gonna try this. So, expect nyo na pag ito, yung 2 rounds nyo lang, or 1 round, maubusan na kayo ng hangin. Ibang-iba siya sa long ride. Alright? So, as you could see, sabi ko sa anak ko, try mo. Dati nga sabi niya, Daddy, ba't wala daw yung saddle? So, makikita niyo, mapapansin niyo, wala kaming saddle. Sabi ko kasi pag may saddle, tumatama yung puwet natin. So, pinatanggal ko yung saddle. So, makikita niyo yung bike namin, walang saddle. Yan. Kasi hindi ka naman uupo dyan, ipapump mo yung bike mismo. So, yung pagpedal, actually, hindi allowed. Pero pag nakuha nyo yung rhythm mismo yung pag-pump, may enjoy nyo talaga to guys. So, yan, kinabit namin mismo yung camera, yung phone namin. Yan. Sa harapan para makita nyo mismo kung hindi na daan na anak ko yun. Medyo nakakahilo So, itong part na to, sabi ko sa kanya, go ahead and try it. Yan, so naka 1 minute and 43 seconds siya. Dyan. Then, I asked him again, take a rest for a while. Take another 2 rounds since na-follow mo na yung mismong line and paano mag-pump. Yung next try niya, ang nakakagulat. So, from 1 minute and 43 seconds, nag 1 minute and 2 or 3 seconds siya. Kasi nasusundan niya na mismo yung lane niya na dapat niyang daanan pagka nagpa-pump drop. So guys, if gusto niyong i-test to, over from Tuesday to Sunday. So Monday close sila. So I'll be seeing you in the road guys. I hope you like this video. Keep on watching. Follow us. Like the page. Share our videos as well or share our pictures. And I'll be seeing you in the road guys. See ya.